everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how to transfer money from Al Rajhi to another bank. So start with the first step, which is to open the Al Rajhi mobile application and sign in with your username, password, and biometric ID. Next is go ahead and tap transfer from the dashboard. So from the home screen, you just have to tap on the transfer icon to open the transfer menu. Next is choose Transfer to Other Banks and select an existing beneficiary or tap Add New. Next is enter the amount and purpose. So you can type the amount in SAR, pick a transfer purpose like family support, and tap Review Details. Lastly is confirm with OTP and done. So approve the transfer with the OTP sent to your registered mobile, then save the receipt. So just a tip, local transfers arrive in seconds, while Swift International takes 1 to 3 business days. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!